Stop. If you keep your ginger in the refrigerator, you need to watch this. That drawer you think is keeping it safe might actually be turning a health-boosting root into a hazard. When ginger gets old and moldy, it can produce harmful compounds called mycotoxins that you don't want anywhere near your food. But what if I told you that one tiny change could keep your ginger perfectly fresh for a whole month? And what if there was another way to keep it fresh for over 6 months using zero electricity? Today, we end the cycle of ginger waste for good and empower you to keep this superfood safe and potent. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the kitchen. We have all been in this situation. You get inspired at the store. You're going to make a fragrant curry or a healthy ginger tea. You buy a beautiful plump piece of ginger. You use a small bit of it, and the rest goes into the crisper drawer with good intentions. A few weeks later, you find a shriveled, soft, moldy mess. It's a waste of flavor, a waste of money, and a waste of incredible health benefits. That all ends today. Ginger is a powerhouse ingredient. For thousands of years, it has been used not just for its amazing taste, but for its medicinal properties. It's full of a potent compound called gingerol, which is responsible for many of its health benefits. This is the part of the ginger that can help soothe an upset stomach, aid digestion, and fight inflammation in your body. It's an ingredient you always want to have fresh and ready to go. Today, I'm sharing 5 simple, incredibly effective methods to store your ginger. These are complete strategies to keep your ginger as firm and flavorful as the day you bought it. We're talking weeks, months, and in some cases up to half a year. But first, let's start at the store, because that's where good storage begins. When you select ginger, look for roots that are firm, plump, and feel heavy for their size. The skin should be smooth and taut, not wrinkled. A great test is to snap off a tiny knob. It should break with a clean, crisp snap. Avoid any pieces that are soft, shriveled, or have any dark, moldy spots. And here is a crucial tip. Do not wash your ginger until you are ready to use it. That paper-thin skin is its natural armor. It protects the flesh inside. We want to keep that skin on and dry for as long as possible. Method 1. The Everyday Freshness Fix, refrigerator storage. Let's start with the method you'll probably use most often. You might be thinking, I already store my ginger in the fridge, and it still spoils. You are right. Simply tossing it in the crisper drawer is a recipe for disaster. The secret to making it last is carefully controlling the air and moisture. With one simple adjustment, you can extend its life from just a week to a solid month or even longer. The secret weapon is a 2-part system, a paper towel and a resealable bag. Here is the simple science behind it. The paper towel's job is to act as a moisture manager. It absorbs any extra condensation that can build up, which is what leads to slime and mold. The resealable bag does the opposite. It creates a shield against the dry air of the fridge, which would normally suck the life out of the ginger and leave it shriveled. So here's how you do it, step by step. First, take your whole, unpeeled ginger root. Gently wrap it in a single, dry paper towel. A loose but secure wrap is perfect. Next, place the wrapped ginger into a resealable plastic bag. Now for the most important part. Before you seal it, push as much air out of the bag as you can. Really press it down. Getting the air out slows down oxidation and keeps the ginger from drying out. Finally, put this bag in your refrigerator's crisper drawer. This drawer is designed to have a slightly more humid environment, which is perfect for root vegetables. Using this method, your ginger will stay firm and fresh for at least 3 to 4 weeks. It's the perfect solution for anyone who uses ginger regularly. Method 2. The Flavor Time Capsule, freezing ginger. If you buy ginger in bulk or only use it here and there, you need a long-term plan. For this, the freezer is your best friend. This is, in my opinion, the easiest and most effective method for long-term storage. Freezing hits the pause button, locking in that fresh flavor and all the healthy gingerol for months. Even better, it makes the ginger incredibly easy to use. One of the best things about freezing ginger is that it's often easier to grate than fresh ginger. When it's frozen solid, the fibers become firm, making it a dream to grate on a microplane. You get a fine, fluffy powder that dissolves instantly into your dishes, with none of those annoying stringy bits. There are a few great ways to freeze ginger, depending on your cooking style. First, the whole root method. This couldn't be simpler. Take your fresh, unpeeled ginger, give it a wash and dry it well, then put it in a freezer-safe bag. Squeeze out all the air, seal it up, and you're done. When you need ginger, just pull it out, grate what you need directly from frozen, and put the rest back in the freezer right away. No thawing required. It will stay perfect for up to 6 months. For ultimate convenience, try freezing pre-portioned ginger. Peel and mince or grate a large batch of ginger. Spoon the ginger into an ice cube tray, pressing it down. 1 teaspoon or tablespoon per cube is a great portion. Freeze the tray until solid, then pop out the ginger cubes and store them in a labeled freezer bag. Now you have perfect portions ready for stir-fries, soups, or smoothies. Finally, you can freeze ginger in slices or coins. This is ideal for making ginger tea or for dishes where you want to remove the ginger piece later. Peel the ginger, slice it, and lay the slices on a parchment-lined baking sheet in a single layer. Freeze for about an hour until they are solid. This is called flash freezing, and it stops them from sticking together. Then gather them into a freezer bag. No matter which freezing method you pick, your ginger will keep its potent flavor and health benefits for at least 6 months. Method 3, the ancestral secret, the sand storage method. Now let's step back in time. This is a traditional, no-electricity method that our ancestors used for centuries to store root vegetables. It is brilliantly simple and just as effective today. So, how does it work? Sand is a fantastic natural insulator. It keeps the ginger cool, blocks out light to prevent sprouting, and most importantly, it maintains the perfect level of humidity. It's just humid enough to stop the ginger from drying out, but not so damp that it causes rot. It basically recreates the ideal underground environment where roots are happiest. For this, you need a container like a bucket or a deep box and some clean, dry sand. You can buy play sand from a hardware store, which is perfect because it's already washed. First, pour a 1 to 2 inch layer of sand into your container. Place your unpeeled ginger pieces on top of the sand. Make sure the ginger pieces are not touching each other. This is a crucial rule to prevent any potential rot from spreading. Next, cover the ginger completely with another layer of sand. You can keep creating layers of ginger and sand, like a preservation lasagna, until your container is full. Just make sure the top layer is a thick blanket of sand. Store the container in a cool, dark, and dry place. A basement, a cool pantry, or an unheated garage is perfect. When you need some ginger, you just dig it out like buried treasure, brush it off, and it's ready to go. Stored this way, ginger can stay firm and fresh for an incredible 6 months or even longer. Method 4, the pantry preservation power-up, the cardboard box and baking soda method. Here is a surprisingly effective pantry hack that uses 2 items you definitely have right now, a cardboard box and baking soda. This method is great for anyone who wants a long-term, electricity-free option, but doesn't have a cool basement for the sand method. The science here is all about controlling moisture and gas. Cardboard is breathable. It allows just enough air to circulate to prevent the buildup of ethylene gas, which causes things to sprout. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is hygroscopic. That's just a scientific way of saying it's extremely good at absorbing excess moisture from the air. Together, they create a dry, stable environment where mold and rot can't grow. Here's how you do it. First, find a sturdy cardboard box. Line the bottom with a sheet of newspaper or a paper towel. Next, sprinkle a thin, even layer of baking soda over the paper. A light dusting is all you need. Now arrange your unpeeled ginger pieces in a single layer on top of the baking soda. Just like with the sand method, keep the pieces from touching each other. If you have a lot of ginger, you can create more layers. Just add another sheet of newspaper, another dusting of baking soda, and another layer of ginger. Once you are done, close the box and store it in a cool, dark place, like a pantry or a cupboard away from any heat or moisture. This simple setup creates a microclimate that can keep your ginger fresh and firm for several months. Check on it every so often, but you'll be amazed at how well this works. Method 5, the culinary transformation, preserving in alcohol and vinegar. Finally, we arrive at the most delicious methods. These techniques don't just preserve your ginger, they transform it into new gourmet ingredients that will elevate your cooking. First up is preserving in alcohol. Alcohol is a powerful natural preservative that stops the enzymes that cause food to break down. To do this, peel your ginger and cut it into slices or chunks. Place the ginger in a clean glass jar. Now choose your spirit. Vodka will preserve the ginger's pure flavor, while something like sherry or sake will add its own delicious notes. Pour the alcohol over the ginger until it is completely submerged. Seal the jar and store it in the fridge. The ginger will stay firm and potent for months. As a bonus, the alcohol becomes infused with incredible ginger flavor, perfect for cocktails or marinades. Next, let's talk about pickling. If you love the thinly sliced ginger served with sushi, you know how amazing pickled ginger is. To make your own, peel your ginger and slice it paper thin. A mandolin slicer works best. Pack the slices into a sterilized glass jar. To make the pickling brine, gently heat rice vinegar with a bit of sugar and salt in a saucepan until they dissolve. Pour the hot brine over the ginger slices until they are fully covered. Let the jar cool, seal it, and store it in the refrigerator. The pickled ginger will be ready to eat in about a day and will last for up to 2 months, getting more delicious over time. So there you have it. 5 genius methods to ensure you never waste a piece of ginger again. For short-term daily use, use the paper towel and bag method in your fridge. For long-term storage, the freezer is your most convenient option. For a traditional off-grid approach, use the magic of sand. For a clever pantry hack, use a cardboard box and baking soda. And to transform your ginger, preserve it in alcohol or pickle it. With these strategies, you can buy ginger with confidence. You will save money, reduce food waste, and always have this incredible healthy ingredient ready to add its special warmth and spice to your meals. If you found these ginger hacks helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. For more kitchen tips that save you time and money, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these methods are you most excited to try? What is your favorite way to use ginger? Are you a fan of ginger tea, a stir-fry lover, or do you have a secret recipe to share? Leave a comment below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.